All right, man. Welcome to Crow 777 Radio. This is a bumper for episode 307. Jason Lingren is with me, and Clive DeCarl is back. As is always the case with Clive, we discuss so many things about health and wellness. We cover everything from weight loss to so many vitamins and minerals that people are commonly deficient in because of the quality of food. After all, if you could grow something in nature in perfectly healthy soil, you'd be getting all you need. That's really not the case for most of us anymore. It's even tough to discover whether a thing labeled organic is organic, and it goes on and on. The first hour is free to everyone at crow777radio.com. That's CRROW777radio.com. Just hit the site and don't log in. There it is. Members know to log in. It doesn't disappoint. As is always the case with Clive, he tells us so many things. For my part, I was getting a trigger finger that I was told needed surgery. It was fixed with a certain kind of magnesium. Blew my mind. Anyhow, join us over at crow777radio.com, and I'd like to wish you all a happy, healthy, and higher-minded new era. Cheers.
Belief is the enemy of knowing.